So just in case you think that it's all wilderness and peace, here we are. We've just passed a huge quarry. I don't think I've ever seen a quarry so big. And a lumber mill. And now here we are along a highway. It's a mega highway. It's a divided 4-lane highway. We're kilometer 104. I don't know if that means 104 from Montreal. But look at the trees. And up ahead, we'll see if we can show you the trees that are on the south-facing side, because the west-facing side. There they are. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not incredible? And there's Susan.